not a dummy. If something scares him, or he'll look at it.
Yeah.
But he doesn't come unglued. Except when the cows ran into him.
Yeah.
Which I don't blame him. Really.
Yeah.
But he's so pretty when he moves. He just. Your dad should have.
I know, that's what I was just thinking.
Then you wouldn't have to look through the clouds. We kept him barefoot. He said just leave him barefoot, so. We get hay trucks and truck traffic and everything in and out of here, and he doesn't. When they're at the track, they're exposed to a lot, and now this is just. We found a lot of times Amy will send one up here, and they just kind of chill out. And, he said it feels so good to be on this side. I want to run and play. I like a thoroughbred horse. I know warm bloods are so popular. Thoroughbreds have just got that little bit of class.
Yeah, they do. He's pretty sturdy for a thoroughbred.
That's my favorite thing about him. He's super
He's got
sturdy.
a lot of body to him. You want to just let him